Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to fix that file manager not showing in home screen. If you have File Manager installed but it doesn't appear on any screen on your Android, we'll do the following. We start by opening the settings. Then we'll use the top search bar to easily find the Manage Home Screen Shortcuts option and click on it. Here inside, we look for the File Manager option and activated switch. After that, we go back to the shortcuts screen and we will see that File Manager already appears. If you don't see it on the current screen, make sure it appears on any of the other screens you have added. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.